Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on performing a network security audit using Nmap and Zenmap GUI. In this video, I'll show you how to use these tools for port scanning, vulnerability identification, service detection, and network topology mapping, followed by how to analyze the results. Let's get started. Launch, launch Zenmap, which is a graphical front end for Nmap that simplifies the scanning process. To begin, let's perform a port scan in the target field. Enter the IP address of the host or network you want to scan. For this demonstration, I'll use next, select a scan profile. I'm choosing regular scan, but you can type a custom command like nmap -st space -p minus for a full TCP scan of all 65,535 ports. Click scan to start. The results are displayed below, showing which ports are open, closed, or filtered. Open ports are potential entry points, so they should be closely monitored or closed if not necessary. Next, let's identify vulnerabilities. Nmap includes powerful scripts for this purpose. For example, I'll run the -script vol command to check for common vulnerabilities on ports ET, HTTP, and 443 HTTPS. Simply type the command into the command field and hit scan. The results indicate whether the scanned ports are affected by any known vulnerabilities. In this case, you can see that the HTTP port has a potential issue, which should be addressed immediately. Now, let's detect the services running on the target. Type the command nmap -sv in the command field and click scan. This will provide detailed information about the software and versions running on open ports. From the results, you can see the version of the HTTP server, SSH server, and other services. Identifying outdated or vulnerable software is critical for maintaining network security. Lastly, let's map the network topology. To do this, we'll perform a ping scan using the command nmap -sn, followed by the submit range of the network like 192.168.1.0./24. Once the scan completes, navigate to the Topology tab to view a visual representation of the network. Here, you can see all the active devices, their IP addresses, and how they are connected. Use this map to identify key devices and potential points of vulnerability. Now that we've gathered all the information, let's summarize the recommendations for improving security based on the findings. So first, close unnecessary open ports. Second, patch or update outdated software. Third, implement firewalls or access control list for critical services. Fourth, use encryption for sensitive connections like HTTPS. Fifth, regularly monitor the network for new vulnerabilities. By following these steps, you can greatly enhance the security of your network. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video helps you understand how to use Nmap and Zenmap for a network security audit. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might find it helpful. Thanks for watching.